Hey, it's John from Branson Cerakote here. Gonna do a few-minute video on my first SHOT Show that I've been to. Just gonna talk about a few of the things that I figured out when I was there and the things that I'd been told before that I didn't quite grasp, I guess, the magnitude of. Talk a little bit about Vegas and, some things to do while you're there. And then I got a ton of pictures to put up that I took of interesting guns and things that I saw that really caught my eye. Ended up meeting some great people while I was there and made some contacts that are gonna lead to probably some business for us. So overall, a really good trip. So check the video out and see what you think. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer those. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your stencil needs. Thanks a lot.